Well, apart from this, Cyient is one stock that would remain in focus because according to their exchange announcement, their wholly owned subsidiary, that is Cyient DLM, will be launching their initial public offering next week on June 27. Now, as per their DRHP, the unit is looking to raise close to 740 crore rupees, and the entire issue will be a fresh issue. And there's also an option to raise additional 148 crore rupees via doing a pre-IPO placement. Now, how the funds will be used by this new company? Most of it will go towards a working capital purpose, close to 290 crore rupees. Then 150 crore rupees will be used by the company for debt repayment, while the remaining will be used for acquisitions and capital expenditure purpose. Now, Cyient DLM. Now, the competition for Cyient DLM or its peers in the listed space would be Syrma SGS, Kaynes and DCX Systems, which means that it is an electronic manufacturing service provider company. Now, if you see the financials of Cyient DLM, they have turned profitable from FY25 and their peak net profit margin was in FY22 of close to 5.5%. So, assuming the similar growth rate and the peak net profit margin of 5.5%, the equity value that we derive after applying the valuations of Syrma SGS and Kaynes Tech is close to 2,400 rupees, which means that the per share value comes at around 216 rupees. And if we apply Scient's valuations to the net profit for FY24 when it comes to Cyient DLM, then the valuation that we get is only 1,145 crore rupees, which means 104 rupees per share, which means that if you see this company actually let's list at a premium, then there's a potential value unlocking, additional potential value unlocking of close to 112 rupees per share. So keep an eye out for Cyient. Now for Cyient, this news will be positive because it's value unlocking. There would be improved capital allocation policy when it comes to Cyient, and there would be greater flexibility and management bandwidth. Also, the company had earlier stated that this business has a potential to grow nearly 5x in the next 5 years. So keep an eye out for Cyient in trade.